What is donut economy? An interesting term, of course, but that is the economics of planet, and it talks about sustainability. So the inner circle of the donut is where this area is safe space for humanity. So you have all the facilities: housing, water, food, health, education, peace. All of these are in the inner circle. Then there is a need for social foundations and human needs, the ecological ceiling, and beyond that is the layer where there is climate change, biodiversity loss, fresh water exploitation. There is more of fertilizers, ocean acidification. Now the cities around the world, especially Amsterdam, have been adopting this model after the pandemic, and this model has grown as a major model for urban planning, moving away from the GDP growth independently. And therefore it is not just about the growth in the GDP terms, that is the criteria for the growth of a region or the development of the region, but it is the viability. And therefore this concept or this term has been highly in news. Anything related to sustainable development and alternatives to GDP have been often tasked in your examination. So highly important topic. Practice well, prepare well. We'll be coming up with next important sessions. Stay tuned.